How you doing? I'm Prince, and this is Spiritual Builder Channel. Welcome. I just want to show you guys how to make carrots in a microwave. So I start off. I got me some carrots. I cut them in half. You know. Got me some. I put a little bit of olive oil on them. And give me a bottle of water. Put a little bit of water up in there. Not too much. I just want it to steam. Put my safe lid on the top of it. And I will put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Meanwhile, I will come and go off duty for about, I guess I'll do a 30-minute break and show you guys some of the mountains. Oh my God, look at the mountains. It is so amazing out here in North Carolina during this coronavirus season. But look at that fog that's over the mountains. It is so beautiful. That's the rest area. I mean, it's raining. Isn't that a nice camper? I see so many amazing campers out here. No one has on a face mask. This is what you call a face mask. And I wear it, and I wear it proudly everywhere that I go. A lot of people laugh at me and everything, but hey, I don't care, man. I have a family to protect. I do my job, man, and you know, gotta ensure that I make it back home safe. But look at those mountains. That is extremely high. This is how it looks under my truck, under my bed. This is my bed. And I cook either on a George Foreman grill or the microwave. And my refrigerator. Look a little healthy, doesn't it? Lemon, except for the butter. Ooh. Yes, and this is how I cook out here in my truck. So if any of you are looking to become like a truck driver or anything, man, it is so comfortable out here. You have everything that you want in your truck. You just get you a power inverter, and a lot of guys, they put their trucks or something like that up there. Or I didn't do it. I used that space, and I just put my microwave under my bed, cause the clothes go up here. This is a Freightliner 2014 Freightliner Cascadia. So the clothes go up in here like, you know, you have enough space. And let me show you guys the space that I have. This is, you know, like my bed. My bed is a twin size, and you know, enough space for my, you know, my books, my computer. You know, just quite a few things that I like. Check on these carrots. Oh yes. You know, got a little pretty nice size. Them carrots. You know they smell good. And the Jupiter, oh, that Jupiter is a pretty good power inverter. So let's check out these carrots. Let's see. Ooh, that's hot. Ooh, that smells good too. What I'm gonna do is, now that I have them, I'm gonna take me some of this butter. Put it up in there. Yes. Put back up in there for me. One more minute. And man, I think that I will call it just that. One more minute and I will be done, baby. I'm probably not gonna do my whole break. Probably get my carrots, something to snack on while I go down the road and eat. So something quick. If it wasn't carrots, it was gonna be like some sweet potato or something. Yeah, so I'm sliding down. Tick tock, tick tock. And here we go, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's check it out. Oh, that smells so good. There you go. And while I do that, I will take my microwave, unplug it, put my cords up here. Right here. That little level right there. Take my microwave. Store it on the store, back under my bed. Clean up my little mess. And this is where I keep my sweet potatoes, oranges, and the water. And I will get me an orange and orange. Carrots and orange. Cannot beat that. Place my carrots up here. Let's see how they break up. Is it soft? Oh yeah, that's real soft. Yeah, I know how hard a carrot is. So there you have it. How to make carrots in 6 minutes on an 18-wheeler. Woo yeah! Subscribe and like my channel. I think it's the thumbs up button. It's something like that.